Okay, in this bunch of parts I have done some hammering parts, and of course the Dewalt grease here. I think it's a part number here. So I will put a small amount of this grease on the rubber ring. Then I will put some grease here. Okay, so I'll try to put the O-ring here, push everything in, grease the size of the part. Pressing everything in, hoping that everything will fit inside. Yep, seems that the parts fit. Now we have the second rubber ring. I'm greasing it, putting it down, all the way down. We have the washer, greasing it too, inserting it, and now we need to insert the spring ring. I hope that this is the spring ring. Just pushing it down, and our goal is to get a spring ring in a groove here. I cannot see on the camera screen if you can see it or not. Okay. Seems to be good inside, and now we can check if our striker is moving inside. Mine is moving, but how about your striker? Is it moving or not? Okay, now we have the aluminum cylinder. I'll just clean it a little bit from the dust, maybe because this tool was laying around, maybe for 4 months in my shop. So I waited for the parts because some parts are discontinued. So got them from the eBay and from other repairments. I know. Okay, just grease it, inserted the O-ring, putting a small amount of grease in the cylinder, inserting the striker and the piston, I can feel the compression here. That's a good sign. It's a hole here. If I'm not covering it, the striker goes down. Now we will check what we have with this clutch gear. Okay, it must go here. Just greasing the cylinder a little bit, inserting the metal pin with a hope that it will hold here. Yeah, looks good. I hope so. Okay, and we need to put the spring in here. Got it. Now this one will not go anywhere, just will move up and down. Of course we have the ring here. We'll grease it a little bit. Now we need to go with the plate somehow. Just lubricating it. It's somewhere here. I hope so. Okay, and I have this wash bearing here. And okay, well, I have inserted this one. Okay, this will go here. Okay. You can see we have the pin here. Of course, I'm greasing it and inserting into the piston. The grease will help to hold the part here. And we will go this pin here, the hole. I will try to hold it somehow to show it to you. Okay. Okay, got the hole here, and now I want to lift it again to get some grease. Now we can check if the piston is in a wash bearing. It is in. Okay, so now inserting this brass washer or ring, I don't know, in, and getting the screw in. Okay, what we have more? We have our cylinder, so I will grease the inside of the cylinder. all around, and I hope it will go like that. I have adjusted the plate to get on the gear. Looks not bad now. Okay, now I will go with the washer, some grease and needle bearing. So I need to put them upside down. Okay. Now goes the spring. Okay, this one looks not bad. Okay, how about the rubber? Got the rubber in the wrong direction, I think. Yeah, I will try to move it. Yeah. Now the rubber looks good. And I think we can start to try to close the tool itself. Okay, I have this switch here. And let's check. Yeah, I will insert it now. I need to press this ball to get it inserted. Cannot push it in. Okay, got it. No needed for a hammer. Now this one will lift up and down the plate. And yeah, maybe now finally I can close it. So I will put a good amount of grease here. And I will put try to close the hammering case. Some grease out. Okay, it's a spring inside, so I hope that everything here goes fine. Okay, we will see that later. Okay, now I will try to go for the field. Just pressing it in, and I think it must be the 4 screws here. Yep, found 4 similar screws. Let's check if they can fit here. Maybe I'm wrong and it will be 2 screws. Yeah, it was a screw here and here. Yeah, feels really better when tightening them here. Okay, now we have connections for the brushes. Go for the cover here. Cover looks good. I think I will go for the bearing. Then I have the bearing retainer, I think, or something like that. Okay, oops, got everything out here. Okay, the sealing. We'll try to tie everything together to see how it goes. Okay, over tight it a little bit. Which one? Now we have the switch, which needs to be installed. I think it was this one. Nope. And yep, the longer one. Okay. So now I can move the armature, so that's a good sign for us if armature is moving. Now it's almost time for our handle, but I need to replace the switch. I have new old replacement switch. And yep, for this one I need to replace the brushes. And for the brushes it goes for this one black with brown, and then goes black from here, and yeah, it's a little bit different. Okay, so going back with this one. Okay, I hope that I have prepared the old switch. I hope so. And now I need to get the brush holders in place. Got one brush holder, mounting the wires. Okay, I can see that one of the brush holder contact not got in place, so I need to adjust it a little bit. Yeah, some kind of touching here, the housing. Now it's in place. Now here the second one. I can tighten the screw. Okay. And we have some wires here. Of course, I need to insert the brushes and the main cable. Have replacement brushes, and one brush is new, the other one is old. I don't know, and this one is bigger. This one looks pretty the same, just without the rubber protection here, and this one looks the same. And sometimes for tools old like this, you just need to use the not new parts, because you can get the new ones. Of course the brushes is available most of the time, but this time I have ordered them. They were shown as a couple of the brushes, and After maybe 2 months I have received one brush, then I write it to the one service person and he sent me the used ones. Okay. Now we can see we have the main cable here. Now we need to find a way to close the handle cover. Just trying to get all the wires in the places that they will not be damaged. Okay, looks promising. Okay, the switch is moving, so that's a good sign for us. Now we can go for the spring, the ball retainer, of course the ball itself. Here goes the cover and the rubber cap. And finally, after maybe 4 months, I have assembled this tool. Some with the new parts, some with the old one. It's assembled, so I'm happy about that it's assembled. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. That was, I don't know, repair or restoration, maybe both. And this tool looks great now. Now one thing is left here. Okay. Okay, looks not bad, so it's working. That's a good sign for us. Now really, thanks for watching. Bye.